How to update the Epson P900 firmware. Step 1. Ensure your printer is connected to the PC. Step 2. Make sure the device and printer have a stable internet connection. Step 3. Open your browser and visit the official website for the Epson firmware update. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Download it here in the Epson Software Updater. Step 5. Scroll down and click on the download button according to your device's operating system. Step 6. Save the file on your PC and click on the Save button. Step 7. After downloading, go to the downloaded application, then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Step 8. Select the Agree option, then click OK. Step 9. In the Epson Software Update window, select your product series. Step 10. Select the Firmware Updater and uncheck all other updates, then click the Install Items button. Step 11. Select Agree, then click OK. Step 12. Follow the instructions and precautions for the update. Step 13. Click on the up arrow in the notification panel. Step 14. Right-click on the printer icon, then select Open all active printers. Step 15. Go to the Printer tab on the top left, then click on the Cancel all documents option. Step 16. Confirm and cancel all documents by clicking on Yes. Step 17. Press the power button to turn the printer off, then power it on. Step 18. Return to the Epson Firmware Updater window, then click on the Start button. Step 19. After the successful update, click on the Finish button. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.